Okay, now next thing is we will uh,
Matplotlib.
just explore the data. Okay, and here we will see the different uses of pandas, numpy, as well as matplotlib. So we'll plot some graph plots over here. Okay, so this is the live data which we can get in this GitHub link. Okay, so this is movies reviews and movies ratings data with year and also what data this data set have we will see.
Okay.
Now so load a data, so how we can load that data basically. So here uh, these are the regular things. So we have imported numpy, matplotlib, as well as the panda. So panda we need to based on panda we will plot, matplotlib will plot the data basically.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we will just put like pd.read csv, and we will pass the path of the csv data. Okay, so movies.csv is my data, so I can see over here. So this is what the data is.
Yeah.
It's just, comma separated values. Okay.
Okay.
Then this info function gives you the glimpse of the data, what the data is. Then so here title, what it is, not null values, what how many indexes, what is the type of the data it gives you. So these are the basically the columns our data has. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you can just find out the more detailed information in this link. I'll share that link with you regarding the data. Okay, now this is what the IMDb, like IMDb is the data frame which we have created over here. Okay,
Yeah.
so whatever CSV loaded into that data. Okay,
Yeah.
next IMDb.head.
Mm-hmm.
So now we can remove some values, unwanted columns. Then how we can do that, that we will see over here. So here before that we'll just describe our data. So this function gives you the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Okay,
Yeah.
so these are the basic statistical thing which we can get using this describe function. Okay,
Correct.
and column names we can get using this imdb.columns. Okay, so
Correct.
this is what the column names, and data types we can get using the d types function, similar which we have seen. Now accessing individual column, if I want to access, I want to see the individual column values, what the data has, then we can say that imdb dot year. So this year means the name of the column which we
Got
have.
it. Yeah.
Okay,
Got it. Got it.
and then head. So this is the
Yeah.
another way is this. So from my data frame, select a particular column dot head. So it gives you the same value. So these are the two different ways of accessing the data.
Okay. Nilesh, can you give me a minute? Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry, I'll just come back.
Yeah.
Yes, Nilesh, please tell. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so got it. Now this thing how we can individually access the
Yeah,
particular.
till there I'm clear.
Okay. Now we will manipulate the data, whatever we have for understanding, or we will just explore it. So similar grouping, filtering, mapping, and we can create a pivot table over here. So we'll see that thing. So imdb.year values count. So values count basically gives you for a common year what is the value we have. So, so 2012, then for for that row these are the common value what we have. Okay, so it gives you uh, uh, in a order which is a descending. Okay, and we can sort it. I mean, we just pass this parameter ascending is equal to false over here. So this is the one way.
Okay, yeah, or make it true and then it will be
Yeah,
sorted.
yeah,
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 that's fine.
yeah,
That's fine. Because by default it is false only looks good.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Next is how we can slice the data. The same concept we have learned in the pandas. So IMDb is the name for the data frame, and here we can put the
Yeah,
column condition. So
yeah.
imdb.year show me the greater than 1999 value.
I think this is
And
something you already told, right? Yeah.
sorry,
I mean, this is something you explained already, no, in the previous.
yeah, 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 the condition
Yeah,
and
I
where
got
is
it.
the value. Okay,
Got it.
so
Got it.
only that particular data is we can see over here. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I can see there.
Mm, next is how we can group the data. So imdb.group by the
Yeah,
column year and what columns you want basically. So I
correct.
want action and all these columns which we
And
have already over here. Okay,
yeah,
and just do a sum. So here you can get in 1893 what films in action, animation, and short films like this. So this gives you a consolidated view. Okay,
yes,
year wise basically. Okay,
yes.
and here we can create another column. Okay, called genre. So IMDb over here, and then IMDb and what values you want for that particular column. Okay, and so this is different. So here IMDb, and these are the columns we are referring, and
Mm-hmm.
we will say that ID max 1 means if you observe this thing, we are creating another column over here, and out of this action, the first one action, animation, comedy, drama, documentary, romance, and this short. So out of
Correct.
this,
Basically,
wherever,
added whichever is
yeah,
one, you
uh,
have taken this.
yeah,
That.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay.
okay,
That's actually a nice functionality to have.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, very useful. So I'm sorry, I'm trying to relate to some examples which I have seen in the
Sure,
past and
sure,
some all of
sure,
it.
sure. Yeah,
So
yeah,
I'm thinking, how can I use these things there? So that's where I'm trying to talk. That's it.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Next is, so this is what the added column which we can see using head. Okay. Now this is what I explained in
Yeah, yeah.
the lambda function. Like, so what I am
Where is the
wanted to
lambda?
create.
That is
Yeah,
interesting again.
yeah. So generating a color code for each genre using a mapping function. Okay. So this is what the dictionary I have created. So I'm going to assign red color to the action, like blue color to the animation, likewise. Okay. So this is what the map created. So map is nothing but just a dictionary.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will create another column, genre color, is equal to imdb.genre.apply. So we are applying this whatever functionality or whatever this map on function on column imdb.genre. Okay, dot apply lambda function x, and we are just getting the value from this map. So wherever suppose if you select this comedy, so it takes the comedy. Okay, so the value for x is now comedy, and put the color as the yellow. So
Yeah.
just replacing or just identifying the what genre is, and just putting a color corresponding to that from the map.
Basically,
So
what you
this,
did that there as dot idmax1 just to put that value itself. Now you are putting something which is belonging to a dictionary.
yeah, yeah,
Because in the above example, we directly took whatever was there as a value, like
yeah. Hmm.
as a what is it, key, action, animation, comedy, whatever. You just
So
took those,
hmm,
and
uh,
then in this case, you are saying within that change it to some color. Okay, got it.
yeah, we are just we have already assigned the color, and we
Yeah,
just map it basically. So
correct. Got
wherever
it.
this thing color. Okay, so these are the ways we need basically
Mhm.
in machine learning things. Okay, now starting with Matplotlib. So suppose if I want to visualize the distribution of a film length, what is the uh, uh, biggest film, like in terms of the length of film, number of hours. Okay, so this
Number of
is
what number of films?
no, the length of film, the time
Of
wise.